Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhumita and you know me as Medico Madhu. Let's discuss about how to have a safe pregnancy and safe delivery. During the third trimester of pregnancy, your baby has already grown much bigger in size. During this period, whatever growth they were having, whatever weight gain that you had in the previous terms of pregnancy is going to multiply. In a week, you might gain approximately 0.5 to 1 kg. This is not your growth, it is basically the placenta, that is the one that connects you with your baby, the umbilical cord through which the food reaches the baby, and your baby itself requires more nutrient for the growth. So that is why you're gaining weight. So do not worry about it. The better the weight gain, as long as it's about 0.5 to 1 kg per week, it is okay. You don't have to panic, provided you haven't gained too much of weight in your early pregnancy. Let's say that you have gained about 1 kg a month or so, and the total weight gain can vary somewhere between 6 to 11 or even 13 kgs all through your pregnancy. So we will be monitoring you about that and we will advise you accordingly, so you don't have to panic about that. But from now on, you will have to be more cautious about your leg swelling, about blurring of vision, if you're having too much of vomiting, if you're having too much of breathlessness. All these things can be a normal thing due to pregnancy, but it can indicate that you are going into some form of complication. Let's say preeclampsia, or you are having too much of fluid in your abdomen cavity called as polyhydramnios, which might not be good for your baby. This can be an early sign of diabetes. So during your second and third trimester, the reason for us to do multiple blood investigation is to prevent you from developing any complications. During your second and third trimester, we are providing you with calcium and iron, not just to cover for your baby, but also for you. The multiple scans that we are doing all through your pregnancy is to see your baby's growth, is to see whether his or her brain development is adequate or internal organ development is adequate. And in the third trimester, when we are doing the ultrasound, we are seeing the serial growth of the baby. Is the baby gaining adequate weight? Is the baby having adequate fluid around? Is the placenta fine? Is there any internal bleeding? Is the cord going around the baby? Is the baby's position shifting from one side to other? Is the baby's head already engaged? Are we going to expect any complicated pregnancy? Should we have to go for a cesarean section? All these things would be decided based on the imaging and your symptoms. In your second trimester, you will be noticing that your baby, after you have certain butterflies in your abdomen, those movements are going to increase in your third trimester. So over here, even if we don't advise you during the second trimester to monitor too much of your movement, in the third trimester, definitely we will be telling you to go for monitoring of your baby's movement and to alert us, especially 1 hour after you have your food. And the frequency, once you turn 32 weeks, we will be asking you to come every 2 weeks to meet us. The minute you touch 36 weeks, we tell you to come every week, so that we know, we clinically assess and tell you whether your baby is doing good or not. What are the normal changes that you can expect in your third trimester of pregnancy? Again, your urine frequency is going to increase. The moment you have food, you might feel fullness, you might have a bit of acidity, you might not be able to consume too much of food at a particular point of time, but again, after half an hour, you might be hungry, so it's going to be short, frequent feed for you. And you will also notice that you have a straight line in your abdomen, which is absolutely normal. And you will also notice that there are stretch marks in your flank region, that is on the sides of your abdomen, which is again absolutely normal. You might notice some milk discharge coming from your breast, that is again normal. You might notice white discharge coming, that is also normal from your vagina. Some people do experience false labor pain, so you have to drink fluids, keep yourself hydrated, you pass gas, light food, so you will be able to differentiate if it subsides on its own. And what are the signs of actual labor? You might notice that your water broke, or you might notice a little bit of blood-stained water coming out, or the pain will not decrease in intensity, it will progress further. You will feel hardening of your abdomen. All these things will suggest that you're going into normal labor. In that case, you will have to prepare your pregnancy bag and head to the hospital immediately. What should be there in your delivery bag or your labor bag? First thing is your care. You will be having too much of bleeding, so you can go for, there is something called as labor pads, so you can buy those. Some people might even require adult diaper to hold so much of bleeding, and you will be taking a lot of liquids prior to your delivery during the labor time. So you can take some health drink with you, or you can take a lot of soup with you, or a kettle and water, so that you can make it then and there in the hospital. You might also require for the baby care products, like let's say your baby is delivered, healthy baby, shifted to you immediately. So in that case, you will be requiring clothing for the baby, you will be requiring a wrap around the baby, you will be requiring a diaper for the baby, you will be requiring soaps for the baby, you will be requiring baby care products like a moisturizer, skincare products, etc. So you will be requiring 2-3 towels for the baby separately, 2-3 towels for you and your own clothing, a feeding bra and a feeding gown, etc. Maternity gown that we call. So similarly, we also have something called as maternal or the feeding gown. So you can buy those. All these things you will have to keep with yourself when you are heading towards a labor room. I hope this video was useful. Thank you so much. I'll come and meet you with more interesting videos. Follow me for more interesting videos.